Hello dear friends, I'm back with the March treasure box from the Potomacbeads. I'm going to show you the beads that I received. We have these metallic blue iris, these flat slice nugget beads, some cheap brown beads, 6mm. We have these other beads. We have this matte 5mm round. Eight O's. This star bead, and they're on matte jet AV. If you flip them around, you can see they're black, matte black. We have these pie dual beads. I'm thinking to make a bracelet with this. My first thought was to make a necklace, so we'll see what I come up with. We also have these 4mm premium 99% silver plated. We have these micro faced 8mm, and this is pure silver plated 99.9%. Blue Buddha, we have 4 beads. Miyuki's 11O. We have these 5 clasps, and these are 99.9 silver plated. Some pearls, 4mm, and we have these large black ovals. They're gonna be like a cute earrings with this Buddha and this black bead. We'll see. If you would like to purchase these beads, don't forget to visit the Potomacbeads.com, and this is the March treasury box. So I'll see you on the next video with the project that we're going to be making with these beads. Until next time, thank you.